So after a long time, hello friends, myself Shivam Singh, Engineering Tech. Please like my videos, subscribe my channel to support me, and also share my videos to your friends. Today we discuss about the artificial intelligence. So first question arises that what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence basically is superset of machine learning and deep learning. In other words, development of smart systems and machines that can carry out tasks that typically require artificial intelligence without human interaction is called artificial intelligence. Okay, so this is the simple definition of artificial intelligence. Next, we know about some literature. What is artificial intelligence? In some other context, artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence process on machine, typically computer system. This involves learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and language understanding. AI aims to create. So second question is, what is the aim of AI? AI aims to create an algorithm system that perform tasks that normally require artificial intelligence. It encompasses various fields like machine learning, deep learning. So machine learning, which focus on training system on data. So a new field that is called machine learning is subset of AI. Machine learning is subset of AI which enables system to learn from data without explicit programming is called machine learning. In other words, machine learning is the branch of artificial intelligence and computer science which focus on the use of data and algorithm to imitate the way that human can learn gradually and improving its accuracy. That is called the machine learning. There are multiple topics in machine learning. That first one is linear regression, decision tree, k nearest neighbor, nav Bayes, and next one is cosine similarity, Jaccard similarity, and how we cluster data items into multiple clusters, that is called k-means clustering algorithm. It contains another one that is called the deep learning. Basically, deep learning deals with ANN. ANN means artificial neural network. Artificial neural network that is designed after the human brain structure. Basically, artificial neural network deal with the nodes, neurons. That is the actual implementation, artificial implementation of natural human brain. How our neurons are connected to each other and transform their information. And we know that a data, when source changes, then data become information. It contains another one, deep learning. Deep learning uses to develop an artificial neural network to reach an accurate conclusion without human interaction. So another one is called there are various applications of AI. First one, healthcare, finance, and NLP, natural language processing, autonomous vehicle, most trending things is that today we look that multiple cars, that is EV, launched by Tata and another one Mahindra, etc., etc. So, and gaming is also an example of artificial intelligence. So the new topic is that what is NLP? NLP refers to the natural language processing used to understand the human languages, explain and generate the languages is called NLP. NLP, basically there are multiple examples. The things, sentimental analysis, and next topic is predictive analysis, that is also a feature of artificial intelligence. Use previous data to predict the future outcome or result is called predictive analysis. Expert system, a system which copies the capacity of a human expert, is called expert system. And next topic is that